Previously, buttons had very limited hover capabilities, restricted to basic effects with no customization. Creating engaging micro-interactions required writing custom CSS. Since hover states are essential for making CTAs feel responsive and clickable, this was a key feature gap in the builder. Let's learn how to use it. In a funnel or website page, add a button element. Switch to the Animations tab and select Hover Animation. Choose your favorite animation, then click Adjust Animation. Use the controls to customize how the animation looks. This feature helps you make buttons feel tactile and interactive to boost click-through rates without confusing configuration, thanks to the effect-specific controls and integrated CSS management that require no previous experience. Keeping customers engaged is the most important thing you can do with your websites. Buttons now make this easier by responding dynamically when a visitor hovers over them, allowing you to choose from 21 built-in effects and fine-tune parameters directly in the sidebar. We hope you enjoy it.